smooth. I am soft. Mind, body, and soul. 3 pieces of me come together as one. I smell like the gardens I'm from. I am full of life. I am vulnerable, delicate, defenseless. I can't make it on my own. I need to be cared for, nurtured, loved. If I get stepped on, I am crushed. I fall apart under the pressure. I need time to heal, time to recover, time to get back to where I was. Sometimes I don't know if I can get back. But plants are tougher than they look. I will grow around obstacles in my way. I will bend in the direction I am pushed. I lose a leaf, but I survive. I open up to be taller, stronger, with more layers. I will never stop growing.